The HPC Tiger SHARK is a fully automatic, computerized code-cutting machine. It's loaded with features that will make key cutting faster, easier, and more profitable. All operations of the machine are controlled through the intuitive touchscreen. A novice can be cutting keys within minutes of taking it out of the box. To cut direct digit keys, or if you know the bidding required, use the Cutting by DSD function. Select the appropriate DSD to go to the bidding input screen. Select the appropriate key blank and load it as indicated. Lower the shoulder gauge and push the Cut Key button. After a key is cut, it's important to remove the brass chips or burrs from the key. The Tiger SHARK's onboard computer contains the complete code database for keys that can be cut on the machine. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to look up a code number for vehicles, padlocks, and furniture keys. The bidding screen also shows which jaw and cutter to use, the gauge point, as well as key blank cross-references. Select the proper blank. Load and gauge it according to the information on the screen. Push the Cut Key button to start the cutting process. The Tiger SHARK is loaded with an array of useful features. The 4-way jaws are precision-made to hold a wide variety of key blanks. To make changing cutters as quick as possible, the Tiger SHARK is equipped with the unique Quick Nut. HPC releases an update for the Tiger SHARK every year. These annual updates are supplied on an SD card to load directly onto the machine, or on CD to load from your computer. There are some occasions when you will only have an existing key and not know the bidding. Instead of making a questionable duplicate from an unknown copy, use the decoding function on the Tiger SHARK. The main screen has presets for the 3 keys you cut most often, plus a shortcut to the last key cut. These buttons take you directly to the bidding input screen to enter the cuts needed. The cutter head on the Tiger SHARK pivots automatically to make high-security angle cuts for Medeco Keys. The input screen is simple to use. Input the complete bidding and angles, push Cut Key, and the machine does the rest. The Tibi lock is a specialized lock found on some Ford and Jaguar vehicles. HPC offers an optional adapter that cuts both types of keys on the Tiger SHARK. HPC also offers an adapter to cut 7-pin standard tubular keys on your Tiger SHARK machine. With optional cutters, the Tiger SHARK will also cut flat steel keys. Take advantage of the power of a computer in your key cutting. The HPC Tiger SHARK is the smart choice for a computerized code-cutting machine. Contact your local authorized HPC distributor for complete details on the Tiger SHARK.